Hi, welcome. Now I'll show you how to get true when all the elements of a list is 1. Okay, I want only true only when all the elements are 1. This will be a very basic elementary trick which uses us to check in our complicated formulas. Okay, so I want all the elements. If all the elements of a list is 1, then I want something to return true. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, I'll show you here. I use the AND function and get the list 1. I have all ones. Just do this and you will get true. Okay, so this way you use the AND function and get true value if all the elements in the list is 1. Okay, I do another example here, and the list 2, the whole range, and the whole range, it will do true. You see. Okay, what if it is 2 by 2 or it's more than one column? If it is a multiple column, how do you do? It's also easier. Equal to the whole list. Okay, before that you need to put AND function. AND function, it's logical, it accepts multiple arrays. You can put this way. Okay, true. Okay, this way you will return true if all the elements of a list or array is 1. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you for your complex functions. Please subscribe to my channel so that it will be an encouragement for me to put a lot of useful Excel videos. Okay, and God bless you.